Welcome back to yet another video, guys. It's been quite a while since I've vlogged due to obvious reasons, and it took a lot for me, to get out of my comfort zone, out of my lazy, of my lazy routine days, and I've been traveling, but I didn't have enough energy, physically and emotionally, to record a vlog, and present it to you guys. So today I've decided to travel to one of the places near Bangalore. It's called Revanda Siddheshwara Betta, also known as SRS Hills, and I think it'll be fun vlogging after such a long time. And I see a lot of potential compositions up the hill, because this hill, SRS Hills, it is surrounded by a lot of other hills. So if it comes to golden hour, even though there are a lot of low clouds and it might rain, if you're at such a high altitude, I think we can catch some sunlight. And yeah, there's a lot of potential in that place. So I think it's going to be fun. And let's see how it goes. Let me quickly pack my things and start the journey. Well, I found myself in a bit of a run and gun situation. Traffic was so much that I couldn't reach the destined place, that is SRS Hills, which I was planning to. So I've settled for another place, a small lake, where I think it's already 5:20. So the sunset is supposed to happen within another 10 minutes. So I've come to a place called Channammana Kere or something. I'll post the name on the screen, because I don't remember. So I frantically searched for all the relative places where I could take a photograph. All right, so this is the place. Well, I do see a potential composition, but there is a bit of light as well right there. But one problem is there is a tower, a mobile tower, which comes in between, which is kind of a bummer. So let's keep searching. So essentially, I've settled for a very minimalistic composition. All right. So there are a few plants here among the water, and one particular thing I found interesting about this composition was, there is a branch which kind of bends at around 45 degrees. It goes up and then bends, takes a 45-degree turn. So when this forms a reflection on the water, it is like it is forming an arch. It is like it is coming out of something and trying to meet its own existence. So when I saw this part of an image, it is kind of a minimalistic image. That is what I saw. Let me quickly speak about the settings. ISO 100. All right. So I at around 135, 100 millimeter of focal length. So apart from that, I'll be taking an exposure of 4 seconds, f11, 2-second timer. No, it's 1/4 of a second, not 4 seconds. Sorry. So hope you guys enjoyed the photo, and that's it for today. I think I'll start my journey back. And before this video ends, I would like to request you guys, if you enjoyed the photo, please do share, subscribe, and a like would be a huge thank you, because it can be very encouraging to creators like me, a small time YouTube creators like me. So yeah, until next time, take care, keep traveling, try to enjoy the nature, and bye bye.